Today we will implement attack on Metasploitable 2 server. This is our server that we will use to exploit it. Our IP is 10.0.2.6. Let's check if there are any connection between the target and Kali Linux. Kali Linux IP is 10.0.2.80. So everything is good, there are a connection. Let's clear this. And go back to Kali Linux virtual machine. I ran previously the Metasploitable framework shark, and I have did some steps to get everything ready for the video. I will show all this. I have opened a new terminal to show what I have previously do. First thing, you should connect your database to your Metasploitable framework. This is done by third step. You need to check the MSFDB status. The tickets it needs root privilege. Now we can start it. Let's clear the screen, and after that we need to run a PostgreSQL service to run database on Metasploitable framework. This done by system control start PostgreSQL service. Sure it needs root privilege. We enter our password. Now let's check the MSFDB status. It's active. F console to run everything in normal state. Now the MSF or Metasploitable framework is one. Let's check again the DB status, database status. So now it's connected. Let's clear this. You need to first to create workspace in your database. You can type help database. You can use this command to set up your database and make a workspace in Metasploitable framework. I have previously created a workspace. I'll use the check our workspace. So this is workspace that I have previously created before recording this video. I will use the first one by typing workspace, then the name, then you can click on tab on your keyboard, and after that you will use Nmap tool to scan the target that you have to exploit it. I have previously scanned the target by using this command. Then you can use this on this criteria. Then type your target. After that, you just hold in, enter. Click on enter on keyboard. Let's check our service. Service means the result of your scan from Nmap tool. This is all the surface that I have scanned from the Metasploitable server. Now I will open the Firefox and go to the target IP. Let's check this. Yes, there are PHP MyAdmin and this one, DVW and WaveDev. What we need today, we need the last one, WaveDev, to do what? To upload PHP file here on Reddit on the Wave server, so we can obtain backdoor share in Metasploitable framework. Let's do this. First, we will search for HTTP put. Then start scanner. Sorry. We will use this one, auxiliary scanner http/http_put. You can just type the number of the auxiliary, here number 6, or copy and paste lamai. After that, we're gonna check the option that is available on this modules. The first one, the actual, is put. There are put or delete. Our current setting is put. Then after that, we should create the PHP file that will create backdoor shell in our target. We will do this by using MSF Venom. This is our line to create the backdoor shell. But I need to change the directory to desktop. Then now the MSF Venom will create the backdoor shell file to us and save it on desktop. OS Venom is tool come with the Metasploitable framework to create a virus file or to create file that use for penetration testing to test the server that you used. Logon is done. We have shion.php file. Let's create another one. Of this time I will name it as host, because I have already created shell.php, so there will be no different that shall be shown in the video. Now done. This is our file that we will use to create backdoor shell and our target. Let's back to Metasploitable framework. The first I shall do, I will put the name of our file. It's by set file name, then host.php. Then set the R host or the remote host. This is our target IP. We will not change the remote port. Then after that, we will put the file data of our malicious file. File data, then file, then home, and our username, then desktop, then the name of the file, host.php. Add enter. There are something wrong here. Metasploitable trang søgning igen på one tater a som det der var han bare det ikke gym selv and der så han house budget bachelor school. I will just copy and paste the path of our file. Or should right. So det bliver bra, når han gør økonomisk sin over til just det, men make sure det er sådan, at det er ikke meget. I milagret, når jeg har så det lovet til at arbejde for at tage den Metasploitable, man må prøve at træne med der blank water. Options. File data. Set file data. Then file. Now everything is okay. Let's take one more time options to check everything. So this is our data for our malicious file .nanghost.php. Where we need to type the path. Path is /dev. Then okay, let's type exploit. There are problem here. Dev. Yes, we have the file, but I don't know the problem that showed here. File doesn't seem to exist. The upload probably failed. But when we check our file in the web server, the file exists. So everything is good. There are some issues in Metasploitable framework. Well, after that, we need to back from this module and clear our screen and use this module called exploits, then multi-handler. Then we need to set our payload that we have used as a venom, PHP meter then reverse _ TCP. So now options. We need lhost. We need lhost. Set lhost gen.0 going 2.18. Sorry. Yes. Then set port to 8080. Now clear. Then run. This module will listen to the target when he open or when he run the PHP file, the malicious file. I will wait for several seconds to Metasploitable run the module, Metasploitable the module. After that, I will click on the malicious file in our server. Yes, now Metasploit framework listen to this IP on this port. I will click on the malicious file. We have obtained a session Metasploiter. Let's check what we can do with this backdoor shield. For example, I will screenshot let's type help. يعني امتياز يعني المعشو واستمر هيبسنا تكهيم بجسوي سبقورك دوس باكي بريتلي أنا أستنوي بورتت بعدين بورتين by pants så väl här jämte livet på ställs det hade ju varit också temdi så han bestämmer finger. We cannot screenshot by using this malicious file, but there are other commands. For example, we can type pwd to show the directory of our file, the list. We can get system info. The system of our target is used Metasploitable, and the operation system is Linux Metasploitable 2.6.24 and etc. Meter is php/linux. Let's check another command. For example, check hash dam. Let's check if there are any hash dam command we can execute it. No, we can't do that, but we can upload a file to the server. I have created this file. I will upload it to the web server. Now we type upload, then type the path to our file. It is home, then arcade, music, turn up, then the file name, click click.txt. No such file or directory. Then new software. Click Ctrl C. Upload. Ctrl E. Everything is good. The file is uploaded. I will go to the web server and refresh it. I'm on this one, web dev. This is our file. As you see, this is the file that I have uploaded. It is the same file. That was for our learning and ethical hacking. The attack was putting a backdoor shield in Metasploitable server. That was our target, and create backdoor shield in Metasploit framework. Thank you for watching.